innovative VCP III combines the best attributes of self-contained mobility and professional in-office use. Designed specifically for the use in the modern veterinary office, the VCP III offers the longest warranty of 3 years. Little or no maintenance is required for its scratch-resistant powder coating and steel chassis. Easy-to-reach automatic handpiece controls, and a state-of-the-art table with vertical adjustment from 30 inches to 46.5 inches. It is without a doubt the best veterinary delivery system available. The VCP III boasts a 1-horsepower oil-free compressor with operating pressure of 80 to 110 psi, a 2-quart air tank, and 2 2-liter water bottles. And automatic handpiece selection gives you a more efficient way to operate the handpiece and piezoelectric scaler.